Well, what is fall without a pumpkin project? Well, I'm with Eve at Al's Garden and Home. And so Eve, you know, we love decorating with pumpkins, putting them on the front porch, but you have a really cool project for us today.
Yeah, this project was actually inspired by a project that we do with our Wine and Workshop Wednesdays. It's called Succulent Pumpkins. And we take some cute, short, squat pumpkins, some of the unique ones like Cinderella or Ghost or the warty ones, any pumpkin you can use. And then we put succulents on top of them.
Ah, so you're not going to be taking out the guts and digging and
Nope.
making all
No
that
messy
mess.
guts involved. We
is
actually
great.
make a beautiful little bed out of sphagnum moss
All
around
right.
the stem, and we just glue that down, and then believe it or not, we glue the succulents to the sphagnum moss.
Ah.
People get really concerned when we start gluing things with hot glue, but the succulents can handle it, and they do just fine. And then this project actually lasts through Christmas.
Oh, wow. So really, we can leave it outside.
Yes.
And it'll be fine. And then what do we do with it then?
Well, once you're done looking at it, then the succulents are still viable. You can actually scoop them up and put them in a new container, or you can put them in your garden if you want them to take root there, or and then just compost the pumpkin.
Oh, you know, that makes it so much easier. And then plus you get more plants for your garden. I love that.
Yes.
All right. Well, let's begin.
Okay. So first thing, we're going to make the little sphagnum moss, and then the project that I did, I love the little stems. That one actually didn't come with a stem, so I just pulled a stem like this guy out of the bucket and glued it on. So you can even cheat with that. If you find a pumpkin that's perfect, you can find a new stem.
All right.
And then we've got
hot glue.
hot glue.
All right.
And just be messy, you know, put a lot of hot glue down on there.
And really, the hot glue guns now are not so hot that you're going to burn
No,
yourself.
yeah,
so
these
really
even
for-
say low temp on
Okay.
them. They're, yeah, we don't give you guys anything dangerous to play with.
And so even little ones can kind of help with this.
Exactly, yeah. They can pick out the succulents from the different varieties, like the hens and chicks and the Angelina and all of that, and it's super cute.
And Eve, all these plants were available and the pumpkins available at Al's?
Absolutely, yes. Every single one of these came off of our floor, so all of the succulents are available at Al's. And then the pumpkins for sure are available. We have the classic orange ones that are only $1.99. It doesn't matter the
Whoa.
size. And we get about 62,000 pumpkins in. We get 1,500 every 2 days. So we will
Amazing.
have plenty of pumpkins for you to choose from. And yeah, you can make this project all from everything from Al's.
Excellent. Well, Eve is going to get creative here, and we'll be right back. So Eve, really, that didn't take more than 10 minutes off camera there.
Oh no, it was super fast. Once you have all of the sedums picked out and the succulents picked out that you like, then you just kind of look at it like a cake and decorate it.
And I saw you added some dry material, so that's really fun too. You can go into your garden and pull it.
Yeah, exactly. You know, this is from cornstalk. These are celosia. Obviously, there's the moss in there. You can also get seed heads from crocosmia and crepe myrtles and things. So.
Oh, fun, fun. Well, you know, this is just one of the kind of classes that Al's has all during the year. And so really go online to find out more information about your classes.
Yeah, just go to our website and click on the events tab, and you'll see all of our Wine and Workshop Wednesday series. And then we also have brunch and workshop Saturday at Woodburn.
Well, you know, this is a great project. You can go to any of the Al's Garden and Home to pick up pumpkins and the sedums and really have a great time at your house decorating pumpkins for the fall. So go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the Al's website, and you can find out all that information. Eve, thanks so much. You're so creative.
Oh, thank you.